Is everything okay with you? I hope so. Look, I received a message from a student of mine. He was asking for some help with modal verbs. He says that some topics are very confusing. He doesn't know how to use may, might, must, can, etc. Of course, modal verbs. Now, they can be confusing because you can use the same modal verb in different situations, and then the meaning is a bit different. So what I will try to do is to take, I was thinking now how I could explain that, and it would be like in order to make it easier for you to understand. And I think one good idea is to use the same modal verb in different situations, okay? Because this will guide you, this will lead you to the meaning of all of them, maybe. Now let's see if it works. If it doesn't, you write a comment, okay? Let me know. I will make it more in detail. If you like it, give it a like, okay? So I chose the verb, the modal verb, can. Okay, it's a very known verb. It's very much used in different situations, and I think it will be easier for you to understand if I use this in different contexts. So the first one would be request, when you are asking for something. So when you ask, for example, okay, so here I am using this modal verb, requesting, asking for permission to use somebody's phone. Can I use your phone? Clear? Now, I can also give permission using can. I can say, you can use my phone. In this case, I'm not asking for, but I am giving permission for somebody to use my phone. Okay? Another situation is, you can use this modal verb if it's to offer help, for example. What is the first thing a shop assistant says to you? They say, can I help you? So when the shop assistant tells you that, he or she is offering to help you. Can I help you? Okay, so it can be considered also an offer. What can I do for you? Okay? Now, we also use that to talk about possibility. Possibility. For example, I say, I can go to the party with you. It means it's possible for me. I can go to the party with you. Let me use negative way now for you to understand that it's also possible to use the negative in this case. I can say, for example, I can't go to the party. So I'm talking about possibility. In this case, it's not possible for me to go. Okay? Now also, we can talk about ability. Ability. When I say, I can drive, it means I am able to drive. I know how to drive. This is ability. I can also ask you about your abilities. I can say, can you drive? Okay? We can also use the same modal verb to talk about prohibition. When I tell my kids, you cannot go, it's prohibited. Or when you see a sign, you can't smoke here. If you read that in a sign, you can't smoke here, it means that it is prohibited to smoke in this area, okay? You can also use this to talk about opportunities. And in this case, it's a little bit like possibility, né? Like we can apply for the scholarship. Okay? And you can also use that for guessing and predicting. You know guessing, when you make a guess? You look something and you try to guess what's happening. You can say, for example, they can't be out. You are guessing. You don't know if they are home or not, but you are guessing out. They can't be out. All the lights are on. Okay? And it can even be used in conditional sentences. Can is also used in conditionals. With the if clauses that we say. So, if I have money, I can buy the car. Okay, so in conditional sentences, it can also be used. Okay, so just for you to have an idea, the amount of different uses just one modal verb can be applied. In this case, I have the same modal verb, can, talking or asking for something, making a request. Can I use your phone? Or can I use the restroom? Giving permission. You can use my phone. Okay? Offering to do something. Can I help you? When you are talking about the possibility or impossibility, I can't go to the party. It's not possible for me. Or when you're talking about ability, I can drive. It means I am able to drive. You can use that for prohibition. You can't. You can't smoke here. You cannot smoke here. Okay? Also talking about opportunities. We can apply for the scholarship. It's an opportunity we have. To make a guess. When we're guessing about something, you look somebody's house and you guess that top. They can't be out. All the lights are on. And also conditional sentences. So if I have money, I can buy the car. Okay? Now, what I will do is, I'm going to I'm going to tell you other modal verbs that can be used in those situations here. Okay? You can see that in the next video. I will use can and other possible modal verbs like may or might and could and must. Okay? See there the next video for more explanation about modal verbs.